So just sharing a quick video on some AI tips. So I've got a recording that I made at my Rostrum Speaking Club last night. Now this is a recording of a speech provided by someone. Now I run the LinkedIn page. So I want to turn this recording into a short article. And I'm going to show you a couple of little things along the way. Firstly, here's the recording, and I can double click on that and I get all of that. Now it uses AI to create that transcript. I can rerun that if I wanted to, but that's our transcript. It does it very quickly. I'll hide the transcript details, I'll copy it, and I'm going to put that into Word. Okay, so here's my transcript into Word. I know that that very last line is me. So out we go, that's me off the recording. So I can reframe this by making it more friendly. So this is using Apple AI tools. I've got them set up to run off Shift Command full stop, not a big idea. Replace that, and that's the professional version of that speech. Or I could ask for just the key points, and it's going to write a little summary for me. Place that. So there's our summary. Nice, short and simple. Let's go back to the full thing now. What I'm going to do is go to my Teams, open up a new Copilot, chat, and I'm going to paste that transcript into there. And I've got to just write, as a keen public speaker, write an article. So this is my prompt. Write a professional article that would appeal to potential professional members of a public speaking club on the topic of using a metaphor to structure a speech. So I've given it a prompt. I've got a very verbose prompt, but off we go. Here is our article. And I'm going to say, let's give a little thing, rewrite the article, will be a little more friendly. And add a Brisbane twist with the discussion to the article. Let's see how it copes with that. I don't know whether it's put anything in from Brisbane. We've ended up with a clock metaphor, which was not part of the speech. I see nothing there about Brisbane, so that didn't work. But let's just copy that. I'm going to put that straight into my LinkedIn. Here's my LinkedIn, write my article. Boom, there's my article. I need to edit that a little bit, give it a title, metaphors as a structure for your speech. Okay, and because this is LinkedIn, I can just grab a picture, put that there as my heading, and I can preview it. It's going to be pretty much overspaced, but I've got a speech done very quickly.